Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Hello, Goodbye, and a Very Little Lie by Christine Jones, illustrated by Christine Badzaz. Larry is a liar. Larry, where are you? His mom called. I'm doing my homework. Larry lied. Larry, don't eat frosting, his mom said. I'm not. Harry lied. Larry, why do you lie so much? His mom asked. I'm not lying, Larry replied. I'm creating a fictional story. I'm expressing myself. I'm telling a tall tale. I'm stretching the truth. Oh, Larry, his mom said with a sigh. No one is going to listen to you if you keep lying. If his dad said. Dad, people always listen to me, Larry said. At the park, Larry talked while the others played. Hello, I'm Larry. I built this playground. Goodbye. At the grocery store, Larry stopped a stranger after stranger. Hello, I'm Larry. I grew these vegetables. Hello, I'm Larry. At the library, Larry loudly exclaimed, I'm Larry. I've read every one of these books. Goodbye. One sunny Saturday, Larry was on his way to the beach when he saw a spunky little girl reading a magazine. Hello, I'm Larry. I can swim all the way across the lake. Goodbye. But before he could speed away, the girl stopped him. No, you can't, she said. Yes, I can, Larry said. No, you can't, she said. Yes, I can, Larry yelled. Prove it, she said. My ball floated to the other side of the lake. Go get it for me. Larry looked across the other side of the lake. The lake was really, really big. Larry knew he couldn't swim across the lake. There was only one thing Larry could do. Larry jumped in the water and turned to the crowd and declared, Hello, I'm Larry. I cannot swim across the lake. I lied. Goodbye, said the crowd, and they walked away. Larry felt alone, but not for long. The spunky little girl joined him in the water. Hello, I'm Lucy. My ball didn't flow across the lake. I lied too. Goodbye. Wait, Larry yelled. Do you think two liars could stop lying and become friends? Larry asked. No, said the girl. And then she started to laugh. That was a lie. Let's be friends. And from that day, Larry never, ever, ever told a lie again. Or so we think. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!